Let's talk about Tudca supplement, which is great for rejuvenating the brain, our liver, and just about everything in between, and no side effects whatsoever. Really great stuff.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, today I want to talk about a wonderful supplement called Tudca, Tudca. It's a long supplement name, about this long. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. It's really long, but I'm just going to, it's called Tudca, and everybody knows it by Tudca. It really has no side effects whatsoever. Really great for rejuvenating the brain and the liver and the whole body, everything in between. It really is amazing, and really lots of studies about it also. Even the National Institute of Health have done studies on it. So really great stuff. But before we get into that, if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe. Also, tell other people. We appreciate that in a great way. Also, watch those little ads at the beginning. They bring us some income. I appreciate that. Also, get a copy of my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. I've also had 2 people actually go into remission, just doing what I recommend. It wasn't, made for that. It was about preventing cancer, and more than half of you are going to come down with cancer, and it's a lot easier to prevent cancer than it is to, try to reverse cancer. And I don't want you dying, that's for sure. So Google Live a Cancer-Free Life. It will come up with my name, and you can get it. It's a quick read. And some people even say it's become their second Bible. So I really appreciate that comment. And it's got a 5-star rating on Amazon. So, get your copy now. So let's talk about Tudca. Tudca is an amazing supplement. It comes as a powder. Also comes as all kinds of different capsules and tablets and all kinds of different things. So lots of different ways it comes. It can help with fatty liver disease and cirrhosis of the liver, protects the liver in general, stimulates bile flow, lowers liver enzymes. If you have sky-high liver enzymes, you want to take this. Also promotes good bile duct health. If your bile ducts are really not good, you're going to be in bad shape. Boosts up your immune system to help keep away viruses. Also reduces gut inflammation. So that's really great. Some of you need that for sure. Improves your mood. Also gives you energy and helps to balance your hormones and all kinds of things. And there's no side effects whatsoever. Even studies over a year with people taking this, absolutely no side effects. It has a long history. It goes back in Chinese medicine, about 3,000 years. And now it's made, man-made, so we don't have to get it from animals. And it's made in the body itself. Our body makes a very minute amount of it, but not enough to do a whole lot of healing. It also helps with Parkinson's disease and ALS and also Alzheimer's and a lot of other things too. It'll improve your energy, help with food tolerances, actually help with fat absorption, improve digestion, reduce liver enzymes, improve liver function in general, better skin. Also, you'll get rid of those saggy, bad, black eyes that you might have. So it's a win-win situation. It stimulates bile flow. So if you have, stagnant bile flow in your liver, really not good. And a study actually showed it actually improved bile flow by 500%. Wow, is that a whopping amount? Also helps with your body in general. Actually helps your mitochondria in your liver to actually function better and actually improve function of the liver because of that. Also reduces liver enzymes. If you have a high ALT or AST or whatever's going on, boy, you want to be able to take some of this. You can find it on Amazon, eBay, and at some enlightened health food stores will have it also. A study with 23 patients actually found that it significantly lowered their liver enzymes in a great way in a short amount of time. Also, another Actual study where actually people only taking 10 to 13 milligrams of Tudca found it actually made a huge difference in their ALT and AST. So you don't have to even take much. I'll get into the dosage later. Also, another study in 1996, people taking from 500 up to 1,500 milligrams actually reduced harmful liver enzymes in a big way also. Heals the bile duct. So if you have a sluggish bile duct or inflamed bile duct, you want to really start taking Tudca. Also prevents virus invasion because our immune system, part of it is the liver itself. So it actually stops the viruses from replicating and helping immune cells recognize the virus itself and kill them. So really great. Also helps with respiratory infections, actually stops it from spreading throughout the body. Also improves digestion and helps with gut inflammation. A lot of people have this now. I'm telling you, I get this all the time. And helps with leaky gut and also helps with improving gut barrier function. So lots of good stuff happening there. Also reduces gut inflammation by reducing inflammation of cytokines. Also helps with colitis. Studies show it helps with the cell lining of the gut itself. So if you have colitis and you're suffering, you might want to take some Tudca. Also improves probiotics. So actually improves the microbiome in your body. Also increases the level of good bacteria in your gut. And everybody needs this. There's no doubt about that. Also helps with Alzheimer's. Studies showing it actually helps with the symptoms of Alzheimer's in general and reducing the possibility of coming down with it. And also help with memory deficits. So really great. Also helps with ALS. Studies showing that 34 ALS patients, they had a better quality of life and they had slowed the progression of the disease in general. Also helps with Parkinson's, and animal studies actually showed it helped with that disease by preventing cell death also. And helps with hepatitis in general. 150 patients actually with hepatitis C actually found it really did a great job of healing the liver and helping with hepatitis C in general. Also, another study with Tudca actually helps with oxidative stress and scarring and of tissue damage because of fatty liver disease. Also, another study also helps with hepatitis B and D. So all kinds of different things. Also can help with strokes and help to prevent damage once it actually takes place. And also recovery is faster too if you're taking Tudca. Also another study showed to actually decrease the blood clot volume in a stroke and also the wound volume and cell death during a stroke also. Also helps with Huntington's disease and helps you decrease cellular death. Also helps with type 1 and then type 2 diabetes. It's amazing. It helps with type 1. Also increasing insulin sensitivity up to 30%. Wow, that's amazing. Also lowers cholesterol. A 2001 study actually showed taking 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams for 6 months actually lowered total cholesterol in general in the body. Helps the heart, great things for the heart. Studies show that actually lowered the risk of coming down with a heart disease in general and having a heart attack, and also reduced cell death of the heart after having a heart attack. So, wow. Also helps with kidney disease and chronic kidney disease. Really great because it actually helps with some of the enzymes that are associated with chronic kidney disease, so that's really important. Also helps with retinitis pigmentosa, the eye disease, and actually prevented cellular death in the eyes. All kinds of different things. Also, how long should you be taking this? Anywhere from a few days to 3 months. That really depends on the person. Has no side effects, completely safe. Long-term studies showing taking 500 milligrams for 1 year actually have no side effects whatsoever. You can give you might get some detoxing type of things going on, because it does detox your body and your liver especially, and your kidneys. And so you may have mood type of changes, also flu symptoms, increased bowel movements, that type of thing. So, it's doing its work. There's no doubt about it. Dosage from 10 to 13 milligrams, that's on the low side, anywhere from 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily, even 1,500 milligrams daily, or more than that if you want, and really no side effects whatsoever. Where are you going to find this? You can find it on Amazon and eBay and health food stores, the enlightened ones, of course, and also these bodybuilding stores, because it has been used by bodybuilders to help get rid of the side effects of some of the things that they're taking. So try some Tudca. It can really do your body good. Tudca is, like I said, it can't hurt you. It's really great stuff. I highly recommend it, especially if you have liver disease or brain disease of any kind. Really a great thing to do. If you want to get a hold of me and do a consultation, let's get you free of that chronic disease process going on. Call me at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. It's also very important, your lifestyle. If you're working graveyard shifts or night shifts, that takes a toll of stress on your body and your immune system. And it actually, for many people, will take up to 10 years off that person's life. So work with your normal circadian rhythms, and that'll help you to get rid of stress. Stress can impede healing of just about everything, from diabetes to heart disease and everything. So make sure you work with your normal circadian rhythms. Have a wonderful day. Remember a couple things. Remember, I love you, and remember God.